I'm going to have a look at how to play a very popular Irish jig that is called the Kesh. It is actually also one of those tunes that is featured in the scene in Titanic where Kate Winslet as Rose is dancing with Jack Dawson, who's played by Leonardo DiCaprio. So here we go, let's start. Okay, so the first bit of the A part goes like this. Okay, so let's play that together. So starting with the G. And again. One more time. Yeah. This part of that starts on the E string. Let's work through that again. One more time. Right, the next little bit goes. Let's work through that together. One more time. And the last little bit of the A section goes. And let's do that again. And again. Last time. So let's put those 4 little sections together and play it through nice and slowly. Let's play it through again. Time. And then when we get more familiar with that, we'll move on to the B part, which I'll do now. First little part of the B part goes like this. So let's go through that slowly. And again on the B. next little bit goes. Let's walk through that slowly. And again. Last time. And the third little section goes. Okay, let's walk through that slowly. So it goes, starting on the B. And again. One more time. Then the very last section of the B section goes like this. Okay, so let's try that out slowly. And again. One more time. So now we've got our A section and our B section. Let's put it all back together and play through it nice and slowly. Ready? Section. And repeat. Back to the beginning. once you've got the basics of the tune, then keep practicing, because you will be able to play it faster. And I hope you like my video, and if you do, then please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the future for more videos and more tunes. Bye for now.